In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change scenery here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash of Clans content just like this. Now, changing your scenery in Clash of Clans is super simple. The first thing that you're going to want to do is simply load into Clash of Clans and tap on your town hall in the middle, and you'll see an option that does say change scenery. Open this up and you're going to see a few different options. In my case, I actually only have one available, but you can get a jungle scenery at Town Hall level 14 and a magic scenery at Town Hall level 15. You can even change scenery for the war base once they add more stuff in the future. So choose the one that you would like, select it, and then you'll see your entire village background change instantly to match that new scenery. Now obviously in my case it's not going to do that, but yours will look completely different. But that's really all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.